Hello everyone. In the last video we have seen how to record a micro with the help of Excel. In this video I'm going to show you how to save that micro or how to store that micro. There are two ways I'm going to show you. The first is to save the micro in that workbook itself, and the second way is to copy paste the micro in a text file. And how both the methods work, let's check out. So I'm continuing with the last workbook I have used in the last video. First of all, let's check out whether the micro exists here. Going on to the view tab, clicking on micros over here and view micros. See, this micro exists here in the workbook called demo1.xlsx. Fine, this micro is here. What if I press Ctrl Save? This pop-up window will be there. So we need to change the Excel workbook format. So clicking here no, you will be able to use the save as option. Now from the drop down list, select this one, Excel micro enabled workbook, and simply save the file. That's it. Your micro is being saved in the workbook. Whenever you open the workbook, the micro will be activated, will get activated. Now what if you want to apply this micro in other Excel books? So you have to do one thing: open up this workbook which is carrying the micro and the other one you want to work with, and simply by viewing the micro in the micros tab and playing the micro, running the micro will work for you. This is one way. And the second way, if you are not able to carry this workbook everywhere, you can do one thing. You can just simply copy paste the micro into a text file. Right now I'm going to do for it. So press Alt F11. This micro will be shown to you. This is a programming actually you have made for yourself. So set of actions were recorded in the micro. Select all the thing, come down to the location where you want to store it, make a text file. I'm making a text file name format leisure, and we'll paste the stuff as it is and we'll save. Okay, I'll close all the stuff over here. Now I have second file demo2, and I'll show how to use this copy pasted material into this workbook. First of all, let me show you there is no micro in this workbook. See, there is no micro in this workbook, or you can check from here also. View micros. There are no micros as of now. Now I'm going to open up the text file I have already stored. We'll select all the text. We'll make a copy paste function. Coming back to the Excel file, demo2 Excel file, we'll press Alt F11 and the insert module window will be opened, and we'll paste the micro as it is. Now minimizing this VBA window, let's check out whether this micro has come down to the Excel or not. Again, view micros, and here it is, this workbook dot format leisure. This micro is here. Let's check out if it works. If it works, and it has worked. So this is the another method. Both the methods will serve a lot of purposes, and believe me, micros will do a lot of things for you. You can even have the looping things. I'm going to show you in the upcoming videos. I'm going to throw the videos for micros. As soon as I'm done with the micros, I'll throw the videos. Till then, stay tuned, like my videos, share with your friends, and please comment what kind of micros you are seeking for and you're looking for, I'll surely make an effort to make them available for you. Thank you.